In this video, we will scale price chart only on TradingView. Now, you scroll to the right part of the chart, you hover over the price scale and you right click. And there's a selection here called Scale Price Chart Only. If you click on it, nothing changes. You click away again, nothing changes. So what does this do? Let me show you. Now, let's add an indicator to the chart to show how this works. Let's add a simple moving average. Here it is, SMA 9. Fine. We are on the monthly time frame, but let's go into settings and choose the time frame of this indicator. By choosing chart, it automatically changes to the time frame of the chart. So this is 9 months. If I go to the weekly time frame, it will be 9 weeks, 9 days, and so on. That's not what we want here. Let's go to days, and let's make it 100 days. And now let's go to the hourly time frame. Double click on the price scale, tries to auto fit, but still the chart is broken. Why? Because the moving average is very far away from the price, and TradingView tries to make it fit. Now, what would scale price chart only do here? We go to settings, we click on scale price chart. You see how the automatic configuration of the chart to fit data to the screen with this little button here ignores the indicator. That's why it's called scale price chart only. It ignores any indicators that are far away from the price that would end up breaking the chart. Let's see it again. Remove scale price chart. There you go. Tries to fit this moving average that is very, very far away. See? 15-minute time frame tries to show. Again, scale price chart only. And there you are. Have a great day, guys.